You can make thousands of dollars per month by running an AI news channel. And in this video, I'll explain how you can make an AI news channel for completely free. You don't need any type of skills as well because I'm gonna explain everything you need to do step by step. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. First of all, you need to find a name for your channel. This can be easily done with the help of ChatGPT. You can type a prompt like this and then ChatGPT will produce a list of potential names that you can choose from. After finding a name, you need a logo and a banner. You can use Canva to create them. As you can see, with just a few minutes of editing, I was able to come up with this logo and this banner. I think this looks pretty great. Now let's move forward and actually generate content for our channel. Step 2. Finding news. Finding news is pretty simple. You can go to Google News to find the latest trending news, which you can then copy and paste into a text editor. After that, make sure to read it, and if you can, try to make it shorter without losing any original information. But if there are any direct quotations, do not mess with it because there will be misinformation and people will stop watching your content. Also, if you want to build a reputable channel, which people will rely on, you need to constantly check for the latest news and produce new videos as soon as they arrive. Step 3. Create a presenter. Since we are completely relying on AI, we need to create a news presenter as well, and this can be easily done using heygen.com. You can go to their site and then click on Try HeyGen for free. After that, you can sign in using Google and then select Start with an avatar. Then you get a huge list of avatars to choose from. What I'd suggest is to go with a female avatar with a professional outfit, but at the same time not too corporate looking. After selecting an avatar, you can further edit stuff like the outfit or the faces as well. And if you are really confident about yourself, you could do a face swap of your own face as well. Now you can click Save as New and then click on your avatar again and select Create Video. Now first of all, change the background color to green as we're going to remove the background later. And then copy part of your article and paste it here. Now don't worry about the voice model just yet because this website only allows 1 minute of content in the free plan and the paid plans are pretty expensive. So I'm going to give you a workaround for that by the use of some other tools. Alright, if you're done, you can click submit and then it will take some time to process the video. After that, you can click on it and then make sure to turn off subtitles and then download the video. Step 4. Creating the voiceover. To create the voiceover, the most affordable option is Genie AI, which costs $19 a month. This gives you 2 hours per month, which is more than enough in the beginning. However, if you really want to generate a voiceover and you don't have any money to spare, I will explain a way to get free unlimited voice generations from this exact website. But I'm not really sure about the legality of this, so I won't be responsible to any legal repercussions that may occur as a result from your actions. And also, I'm not advocating you do this, and I'm only doing this for educational purposes. And if you want to skip this part, you can go to this timestamp. Alright, so you can get 20 minutes of voice generations from one free account. So what you have to do after you reach this limit is to go to this website called 10minutemail.com, and this will give you a randomly generated website for 10 minutes. Then you can open an incognito tab and open up Genie AI. After that, you can sign up using this email with a new password and a different name each time. So you can generate unlimited amounts of random emails, which will then give you unlimited accounts of Genie AI, which you can use to generate voiceovers. However, if Genie AI bans you from creating more accounts, you can simply bypass this with a free VPN. But there's one other problem. This free version of Genie AI does not allow downloads. But once again, theory can only take you so far. You can bypass this by using a screen recorder to record your screen along with internal sound to record this voiceover without needing to download it. Then you can convert that video to an MP3 to just get the voiceover. Once again, I'm not sure how legal that process is, so all responsibility is on you. Step 5. Lip sync audio and video. Since we got the audio and the video separately, we need to lip sync our audio and video, which can be easily done using this open source software which you can run in Google Colab. Now don't worry, you don't have to do any coding. I will explain exactly what to do. First, go to the first website in the description box of this video. Then click on the connect button on the top right. After that, come to step 1 and click on the play button and then click on run anyway. And wait a few moments and go to step 2 and click on the play button. After that, you can upload the video file that you downloaded from HeyGen. Then go to step 3 and again click the play button and then you can upload the voiceover. Now remember that you can only lip sync 1 minute at a time, so make sure to cut your voiceover into 1 minute parts before uploading. After that, click on the play button on step 4 and wait a few moments until the video is ready. After it's ready, click on the 3 dots and download the video. After finishing, you can repeat the process with the rest of the voiceover files, again 1 minute at a time. Step 6. Edit the video. Now that we have the lip synced video, it's time to go to a video editor and complete the video. But before that, we have one last step. You need an intro and a backdrop to your video. You can download one for free from Canva, or if you're gonna take this to the next level, you can create it yourself. When choosing a video editor, make sure to go with whatever you are comfortable with. However, if you want to go the extra mile, you can go with Adobe Premiere Pro, which has a ton of features, and if you are a student, it is really affordable as well. But because I promised to make everything free, I'm gonna use Clipchamp to edit the video. First, drag and drop all the assets you're gonna use, and then place the intro in the beginning, and then the videos with the presenter following the intro. After that, place the backdrop under the presenter videos. Now you can select the presenter videos and go to filters and green screen. Now as you can see, the green screen disappeared and the backdrop can be seen. You can do this for the rest of the clips and maybe use captions, and also you can use stock images from pixabay.com to increase the quality of your video. By just a few minutes of editing, I was able to come up with this.
Donald Trump and his legal team are escalating efforts to discredit and delay a trial over his alleged attempt to overturn the 2020 election.
I think it looks good and is ready to be uploaded. Step 7. Upload the video. Before uploading, you need to make the thumbnail. Again, you can use Canva to make the thumbnail. You can add a snapshot of your video and use some text to grab the attention of the viewer. And you can generate a relatively good thumbnail in just a few minutes. Then once you are done, you can upload the video to YouTube, and once again, you can use ChatGPT to generate a good description for the video. If you do this consistently at least 3 times a week, whenever some hot news comes up, you can easily go viral and create an audience. Remember, don't fabricate any information or even tell any jokes in between, because you are a news site and you want people to trust you. If you are able to commit to doing this for at least a year, you can definitely make passive income through this, and this might even replace your main income. If you learned something today, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. It really means a lot to me. I'll see you in the next video.